It is that time of year again, spring cleaning. Hey, I'm Chef Justin here with some helpful refrigerator and freezer tips to get your spring season off to a fresh start. Begin by throwing away any expired food from your refrigerator. Not sure of the expiration date? When in doubt, throw it out. Next, empty your refrigerator. It's a good idea to have a cooler with ice on hand when unpacking your fridge to keep things like milk cool while cleaning. Then, using a fresh cloth and disinfectant, clean and sanitize your fridge by wiping down all the surfaces. Repeat the process with your freezer. When restocking your fridge, there should be adequate airflow throughout to keep your food fresher longer. Overpacking your refrigerator means some food will become too cold, while others will not be cold enough. Your freezer, on the other hand, is most efficient when it is full. How cold is cold enough? Use a thermometer to be sure your freezer is at least 0 degrees and your fridge is at least 40 degrees. For additional information about storing food safely, visit the Division of Food Safety's Consumer Resources and Outreach website at fdacs.gov. And remember, keep cooking.